Today we will study demultiplexer. It is a combinational logic circuit which is designed to switch one common line to the several outputs line. Okay, means there is one input and give us so many outputs. Okay, so it is more commonly known as demultiplexer or DMUX. It takes one single input data line and then switches it to any one of a number of individual outputs line at the time. Means it taking a one input data line and switches to many number of output lines. Like that, for example, if we are talking about the connections, network connection in a colleges. Okay, there is one broadband connection, means Wi-Fi connection to a single college in which all the faculties are using that connection by. So what a example of this is DMUX, means at a one Wi-Fi connection, means there is one Wi-Fi connection which is behave as an input. At output, we all the students, even faculties, are connected to that by using our passwords. Okay, so we can take as an example that gives our DMUX, means one input and many outputs. Many people are using that Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so and we can also give that a phone, means cordless phone, which is using for the there's one network connection and many lines were, for example, that if any teacher, means HOD or any principal, okay, there's one number of principal and a principal can connect to many phones to various departments. Okay, it is also an example for the DMUX. So it converts a serial data signal to the serial data at the input to the parallel data output lines. In a DMUX there is serial data signal and at the input, and on output there is parallel data lines. As shown in this figure, we are giving a one input and the switches, whatever the outputs we want to be connected to that outputs. For example, it is a 1:4 DMUX. If the inputs are 0 0 0, if we are giving 0 0, it is connected to A. 0 1 means if we want to connect at the 0 1, so the B will connected 1 0, C will connected at D 1. So this is a 1:4 DMUX. Okay, similarly for the 2 to 4 line a DMUX is also called as a decoder, okay, with an enable input. In a DMUX there is enable input. If we are talking about 2 to 4 line decoder, DMUX, okay, there is A, B and C, okay, and gates inverted. A, B, C. So if we want to connect it a 0, D0 is connected, that there is one enable input which is, sorry, it is not connected to this, well connected to, means it is a enable input, sorry for that, it is not any line, don't take it. Okay, now if we want to connect it D1, so D1 is 0 0 1, means A is 0, B is 0, means 0 0. For example, if this is R A B, okay, and enable at it 1, if it is 1, enable is 1, so it will not work here. Okay, D0, D1, D2, D3 means at enable there is not any, means don't care condition, it may be 0 0, 1 1, 0 1, whatever. So all the lines will be open. When enable is 0, okay, that means 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. So it shows that D0 is connected, okay, and means the connection is for the D0, else other else will be 1 1. For the D1 it will connected and other else will be 1 1. Similarly for D2, or we can as a given that we will can give 1 and other else will be 0. So this is a connection. Similarly for the D1 it is 0 and 1. For that it is connected to enable also. For D2 there will be 1 1 and 0. Here some mismatching is occurred. At D1 we will get a 0, means this will be 0, and this is a line. For B it is 1, and for enable it is this, okay. At a D2 with it is 1 0, so it will connect it to 1, then 0 means this, and enable, okay. Similarly for D3 there will be at D3 it will be 1 and then again 1 and then enable condition, okay. So this is a DMUX which we have studied.